Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can place your image in any shape using Canva. Right now, as you can see, we are into Canva and we have just selected a blank template. Now we are going to search for an image. In the elements you can use your own image from the uploads, right? For example, I just want this image, right? So I am reducing the size first. Now we are again going to elements and here we are going to search for frame, and in the frames you just need to click on see all. You can select this frame and again this one and again this one, again this one, this one, this one, similarly this one, right? So I'm just going to decrease the size of each frame first. Then what we are going to do is we are going to duplicate 6 times. Okay, and we are going to place image in each shape. So this is how you can simply place your image in any shape using Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.